Hi everyone. I'm extremely excited to be here to sort of take you through, the keynote presentation. First of all, thank you very much for joining us. Let me start by introducing myself. I am Jagjit Harode. I head marketplace business for Flipkart. We're meeting after quite some time, and I must say that through the entire time of last 6 months, right after the lockdown started, we have seen a tremendous journey of resilience, bouncing back and getting back on our feet together. And the festive season is approaching, and I thought this would be the right time to sort of get connected with you and also take you through a little bit around the year that has gone by, uh, the last 4 to 5 months, how we have traversed the journey together, and also spend some time talking about a few of the features and product capabilities that we have built for you to help do very well in the incoming festive season. Uh, but before we do that, I just want to spend some time talking to you about what's been happening in the market. So while you might have seen it from the close quarters, might have read about it, but what we as Flipkart with you have seen is a massive resurgence of increase in faith on the online platforms. The number of consumers who are buying from us has gone multifold. And in a situation where I truly understand that supply is something that we are still working towards providing to the consumer. It's a very good opportunity as we go into the festive season with this kind of trust and responsibility on us to deliver the needs of the consumer. So with that, I would like to dig deep into a little bit of a presentation. It's a short presentation to take you through the key milestones that we have achieved and the capabilities that we have been able to deliver. All right. So what I'm going to present to you is a quick recap of the year 2019 and some of the capabilities that has helped you do well over the last year. Then we'll touch upon what we've done in 2020 so far, and also what you can expect going forward. Uh, all right, so let's get into the year that made selling easier for you. First thing that we did was listing made simple, where you can add a variant to the existing FSNs with just one click. This sort of was an important capabilities that we believed you required in, listing your catalog seamlessly. Second feature was managing the ad campaign on the Flipkart Seller Hub app, right? So now you can manage your campaigns and monitor your performance on the go. And I'm sure many of you sort of took benefit of this. The third one was some progress on ask for assistance, which is, really finding answer to your queries without any external help. Uh, and I think we internally see that a lot of you have been using this feature as well. Uh, and then the final feature was in terms of usual price, where if you want to build a trust towards your brand and products, then you have to project the right price, and we started recommending that based on the consumer and the product interface. And that's also we've seen sort of being adopted very well over the last year. The year that went by actually gave us the biggest big billion days. Just in terms of numbers, there was 90% growth in units sold. There was an equal amount of thirst on the total business that you did, which was around 95%. कुल मिला के करोड़पति जो हमने बनाए उस दौरान, that number also went up by 2.5x. And this the number essentially has now, if I'm correct, is in thousands. And similarly, even the number of lakpatis went up by 1.5x. We also, given the success that we had, we really wanted to celebrate this particular success in style. And we invited whole host of celebrities as well as Flipkart senior executives to the event, and we saw massive participation and a lot of award distribution to many of you who did extremely well during the event. And what I expect is that the grandeur of the event, as well as sort of the number of awards, will only go up this year, given the preparations that I'm already seeing with many of you. So this was 2019 for us, right? Let me spend a little bit of time on 2020 and some of the features that we have rolled on for you. Uh, uh, this year has actually seen numerous product launches, and we've done a lot of updates aimed at making the making your selling very easy and more efficient. If you really look at the product launches, we have launched Earn More page, which is that in one place you can monitor all your key business parameters, figure out what requires your attention, fix it, and sort of improve your business further. We've also introduced something on the return analytics, where you can analyze your returns, and we totally understand that returns is an essential part of e-commerce business, but at the same time, with the right insights, you can really reduce the returns that are coming into you, and manage the same business with reduced cost. So we've done a lot of work on that front to give you the return analysis page. The third key launch that we did is on the partner services. So now you have access to a lot of ecosystem partners that we have been working with. So whether it's paid account management services, whether it's CA services, whether it's catalog services, all of it, this is now accessible easily on your portal. The fourth one is the launch of a green packaging tab. As you may already know, government of Maharashtra mandated use of sustainable packaging for all the packaging material going from Maharashtra, originating as well as passing through it. So we made it easy for you to understand which shipments are required to be green packaging compliant. And we've already seen a very high adoption in the year of this particular feature, and please continue to use it, and the ones who would want to avail of it, it's simply available on the tab. Now, in terms of talking about the express self-serve, right now you can opt in for express delivery. You don't have to call somebody, you don't have to reach anywhere else. It's just a click of two buttons and you can opt into express services. So that's been made extremely easy. In terms of consignment creation, there's an improved consignment dashboard that lets you create the consignment as well as track it for efficiently through the whole journey of that consignment. Price and inventory recommendation, right, for in demand is also now in place. So you can get price suggestions for the products that customers are looking for, what is it selling at, and you can make your adjustments accordingly. This, I believe, is again a very important feature in giving you the right set of intelligence from what we are seeing on the platform. And the other differentiating thing that we've launched is super coins, where now all the customers on the platform can buy using the super coins, which means 5 times more visibility, and that translating into customers for you. In terms of upcoming updates, right, there are 3 big launches that are coming your way. One is further boosting of asking for assistance, where for some questions now you can get the answers directly, specifically on your sales and order, right at the click of the button. There is smart inverting, which is inverting up to 20 products in one go. That can happen. I think it will make your job of sort of really doing bulk invert entry very, very easy. And finally, listing on the app. There are features around managing your listing on the go with Flipkart Seller Hub app, right? So the listing capability now is on the app, and I'm sure it will make the whole listing process even more easier than what it is. So let me talk about the excitement that we all are feeling, and a little bit around the festive season. I am very fully aware that, I think we know that demand is going to be unprecedented. It's going to be much higher than what it's been before. We also understand that there are challenges on the supply side, given the restrictions that the whole country has seen. But I'm quite confident because of the resilience that we as a team have shown, both in terms of doing work on the delivery side, where we are able to deliver to the customer, and also from all of your help, we've been able to source the product at breakneck pace. And I urge you and request you to continue with that entrepreneurial zeal, because this festive season is going to be bigger than before, given the traction that we see in the market and the number of consumers we see on the portal. Just to take you through past few months, which sort of cement sort of this particular belief that I have. There have been approximately 1.5 billion visits per month, right? Which is it's not just superseded the pre-COVID levels, it's doing much better, and it's increasing every month. There has been 45% increase in the active customers per month, right? Which is a very good sign, which means more and more consumers are coming online to serve their needs, right? And I personally feel that with things easing out a bit more, this number is only going to go more and more. And with your help, what we've been able to do is provide a good experience to the consumers. So a lot of them who did not experience e-commerce, in the previous year, have experienced it and are sort of liking it, which is what is reflected in the transactions per customer, which is up by 30%, and also the engagement we see on the platform, right? So given the grandeur of it, right, I think preparation is the key. I think what we have to look forward to is, of course, both Big Billion Days and the big Diwali sale that's coming up. All these 3 months are going to be extremely important. I think it's a great opportunity for you as well as for us to team together, to dream big, to plan in advance, to push everything that's possible, to get everything that we believe is important for the customers. And come out of your sort of, I would strongly urge you to also work on new things that you believe customer might be looking at during the festive period. And staying true to the promise that we have built over the last many years in the Big Billion Day. Let's offer consumer which is not available before, which is bigger than before. And hoping to see that traction, hoping to work closely with you in planning this entire festival event. And with that, I would like to wish all the very best for the coming festive period. With that, I come to the close of the presentation. The journey continues. I am extremely excited about the next upcoming season, and so should you. We are working very hard, daily with all of you, to make sure that we meet consumers' expectations. I believe that there will be some challenges. I don't shy from that. I think all of us have been facing that in the last few months. But I'm very confident, that with the entrepreneurial zeal that all of you have, and with the effort that we are all putting in, this is going to be a grand success. So with that, all the very best, and looking forward to many more such interactions. Thank you very much.